Hi, I'm Aidan Teague. My company is Access Foundations and Houselifting. We do foundation repairs, we do underpins, house leveling, house lifting, structural repairs, anything basically from the bearers down, and we can help you. We use specialised house jacks and house props to keep the property in good condition and keep it level while we do all the groundwork. So that involves digging new piles, concreting and timber repairs. During the course of the job, either myself or one of my guys will keep the client informed. Generally text clients at the end of every day, give them some information around milestones, any problems, and basically where we've got up to for the day. If you're wanting us to come out and give you our opinion on your repairs or give you some advice on things, you can jump online. Our contact number's online. You can either text or call us. We've got an online form on our website as well, which has all the fields you can fill out and upload any plans that you may have, engineers reports or geotechnical advice that you've gained, and booking a time for us to come out and have a look at your property.